Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today magluluto tayo ng paborito kong laing. Ito ay yung laing with santol. Ang una nating gagawin ay papakulaan muna natin ang ating pork belly. Gumamit ako ng 2 cups of pork belly cut into cubes. Add 1 cup of water and then isasabay na rin natin dito yung ating bawang at sibuyas para ma-absorb ng meat yung flavors. Papakuluan natin ito hanggang sa lumambot yung karne at mag-evaporate yung water. Ginagawa ko tong step na to just to make sure na lutong-luto at malambot yung karne, especially that I'm using canned coconut milk. But you can totally skip this step if you're using real coconut milk. So ayan, malambot na ang ating karne at medyo lumalabas na yung oil from the fats. Idadagdag na rin natin dito yung ating alamang or yung ating bagoong. Isasabay na rin natin yung ating luya para maalis yung lansa ng bagoong. We will continue sauteing hanggang sa maluto yung ating bagoong. And if you are cooking inside your house, this is the point where I would recommend to light a scented candle. And by the way, this recipe is a recipe from my mom. At para sa kumpletong listahan ng ating mga ingredients, please check the description box below. So ayan, alam natin na lutong-luto na yung ating bagoong. At this point, ito-turn off muna natin yung ating kalan and we will let this mixture cool off habang piniprepare natin yung dahon ng gabi. Kung may dahon ng gabi na available sa inyong lugar na yung hindi pa hinimay, I would recommend using that. The one that I'm using here, I personally prepared this nung umuwi ako or nagbakasyon ako sa bayan namin. I personally went to the market and buy a fresh one and then hinugasan and ibinilad ko na siya sa araw. This is 1 cup of dried santol na binabad ko sa tubig overnight. I-drain natin ito at ihahalo natin ito dun sa mixture na prepare na natin kanina. Then add 2 cans of coconut milk. I am using the Taro brand of coconut milk kasi I think ito yung pinakamalapit na lasa sa totoong gata. But you can totally use the brand of your choice. Turn on the heat and we will constantly stir this mixture until it boils. A tip from my mom, importante na pag nagluluto tayo ng laing ay yung marami yung gata. At this point, pwede na nating idagdag yung ating sili. By the way, I'm using 2 kinds of chili here, siling pansigang at yung siling labuyo, just because Hindi kumakain ng maanghang yung sister-in-law ko, so uunahin natin yung siling pansigang. Pagluto na yung ating gulay, magse-separate lang tayo ng para sa kanya and then we will add the siling labuyo. Kung hindi kayo mahilig sa maanghang, you can totally use siling pansigang and skip siling labuyo. But if you're after the heat, you can totally skip siling pansigang and just use siling labuyo. And just a simple tip, it is very important to constantly stir the mixture, especially if you're using real coconut milk. So ayan, kumukulo na ang ating gata. We can now slowly add yung ating dahon ng gabi. Another important tip ay yung iwasan natin na haluin ng ating gabi. Another simple tip from my mom, yan daw yung dahilan kung bakit minsan kapag kumakain tayo ng laing, may natitirang kate sa ating lalamunan. So here I'm just letting the taro leaves absorb the coconut milk mixture and then we will add another layer. Let it simmer until it's cooked. Kung mayroon kayong kawali, yun ang mas magandang gamitin kaysa sa katulad nitong ginagamit ko. Kasi we will need to make a hole in the middle para ma-drain yung liquid. At this point, it is important to try it and add salt if needed. And you can now add your siling labuyo. So ayan, as you can see, lumalabas na yung oil from the fats and from ating gata. Our laing with santol is now ready to be served. And again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. And if you have comments or suggestions, please leave them on the comments section below. And please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye!